Windows 10 is saying its goodbyes in October 2025. No more free updates, patches, or security fixes. If you're still using it, what does that mean for your business? You have 4 options. 1. If your devices meet the specs required, upgrade to Windows 11. Or if your PCs aren't capable of that, option 2 is to invest in new hardware. 3. Buy more time. You can pay Microsoft for Windows 10 security updates after its end of life. This is pricey, but means you stay safe without upgrading. And 4. Do nothing. This is risky, very risky. Without security updates, you put your business and its data at increased risk of breach. Cybercriminals will leverage unpatched vulnerabilities in Windows 10 once free security updates end. Our team can help you decide which of these options is best and then implement it for you. We make everything easy. Get in touch.